Hello, welcome back, techies. Hope you are doing good. So today let us learn more about tuple. This would be our final session for tuple. Here we will be seeing tuple methods. Python has two built-in methods that you can use on tuples, such as index method and count method. So let us start with count method. Let us learn using an example. Here we have a tuple called number, which has a few numbers in it. Now think of if you want to count the number of times the value 5 appears in the tuple, for which declare a variable to store the count and use count method followed by the number tuple. And inside the parentheses mention 5. Now printing out x will give us number of times number 5 appeared in the tuple. The output is 4. So count method returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a tuple. Moving on, let us learn index method. Let us consider an example. Here we can take a number tuple and search for the first occurrence of the value 8 and return its position. This is done using index method, for which take a variable called x in order to store index value inside x. Now use index method followed by numbers tuple and inside parentheses mention number 8. Now printing out variable x will return us the first occurrence of number 8, that is 1 here. Important to note that the index method finds the first occurrence of the specified value. Also, the index method raises an exception if the value is not found. So summarizing, index method searches the tuple for a specified value and returns the position of where it was found. This is the final session on tuple. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys and happy programming.